Put in mommy's ear.
It's been a real pleasure living here in Hawaii. We could surf every day if we would like. We have a lot of our friends that live the lifestyle right after college. They got a job, they live in the city, they work a 9 to 5. I was in school in Boulder, Casey was in school in UCLA, and when we both graduated, we made our way over here for the surfing, the lifestyle, the island life. I think she was about 9 months when she started surfing in front of Casey's board. We try to catch waves as a family together. It's been amazing including her into surfing into our lives. 4 days before she was born, I was swimming with the dolphins, and it was really magical. I would really love if we could swim with Swede and the dolphins and Casey with my belly before this baby arrives. I am 36 weeks and 4 weeks away, give or take a couple weeks. We don't really know what will happen.
We call this place the Orchard Oasis. Put it in my ear. Then what we've done here on this property is plant a lot of productive fruit trees. Sweet. We got snacks soon. They're coming soon. Got it. Anywhere where there's sunshine and you can dig a well and get water, you're pretty much able to live off the grid. Look at this one. Oh, I see some right here. Wanna go give that to Auntie? Let's see in here. Come look.
Having our own power source, our own water source, growing as much food as we can. So on the property we have 4 eco rentals available. And then we also offer yoga classes on the property a couple of days a week. I mean, it feels really great to know that we are not putting a huge impact on the planet.
Whoa, that one just jumped.
We come from the ocean, go to the earth. We breathe in the life till it's up and it's gone, and I realize this life's meant for us.
Yeah, and it wasn't even like a planned thing. It just kind of fell into place. And it was just a dream that turned into a reality. We have had a couple family members say, when you come back to the real world and you move back to the mainland, things like that, but this is our real world and we couldn't be more happy and we love it so much.